castle na sa top of the rock, big rock. Kaso nakakaano yan, nakakatakot na yan. One small quake, it's going to collapse, I'm sure. My gosh, there you go, San Leo Castle. So scary. We're going to see that castle on top of the mountain. May gulay. But it's not easy to break that because it's a rock. It's not really it's a solid rock. It's not a sand or putik, right? Or that is very hard, man. Ano yun, ang taas. Where can we go there? How can we go there? That's the question. Palazzo San Leo here. My gosh. Andoon sa taas, oh, ayun. How can we go up there? Oh my gosh, there's a road going up. So scary. I'm very scared, man. Paakyat sa talagang bundok, sa taas, tok-tok as in. Scary one. Oh my gosh. Pataas kami doon sa tok-tok. Tok-tok, 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 tok. Ayan. Ito na yung entrance ng castle. This is it. Very, very mahal. It's careful, huh? They want to die.
So far.
This is the entrance of the castle. Palazzo Medici. Oh my gosh. I'm not going to stay in this kind of place. So scary. Can you imagine? This is it.